Life isn't just a journey, it's a game. A vast, immersive, multiplayer game where every player is dropped into a unique world. And like all games, it comes with rules, levels to progress through, challenges to overcome, and a final boss that must be defeated before you can truly win. But here's the twist. Not everyone wins. Some people don't even realize they're playing. Others spend their entire lives stuck in the early stages, never advancing, never leveling up, and never facing the one obstacle that stands between them and victory. When you're born, you spawn on a random map. Some players start in bustling cities, others in quiet villages. The environment is different for everyone, but the rules are the same. For the first 18 years, you're in the tutorial phase of the game. These years are all about learning the basics, how to walk, talk, and interact with the world around you. It's a time of exploration, where every new experience teaches you something about the game. But once the tutorial phase ends, the real game begins. This is where the stakes get higher. You start building your character by leveling up different attributes. You work on your health, learning to take care of your body so you can keep playing. You pursue skills and knowledge to advance your career, opening up new quests and opportunities. You form relationships, seeking love and companionship to add depth to your journey. As you progress, the world opens up. New maps become accessible, allowing you to travel to distant lands, meet new players, and unlock experiences you never thought possible. Along the way, you'll encounter countless side quests. These might seem trivial at first, picking up a new hobby, volunteering, or even just taking a long walk in nature. But nothing in this game is truly meaningless. Every side quest adds to your experience, shaping you into a more skilled and resilient player. Of course, no game is without its glitches. You'll encounter the infamous déjà vu bug, where you feel like you've lived a moment before. Then there's the classic walk into a room and forget why glitch. These quirks are part of the game's charm, reminders that the system isn't perfect. But there's one glitch you'll need to fix if you want to progress: the lack of discipline. Discipline is the cheat code that transforms your gameplay. It's not something you're born with, it's something you install. You can start by taking small, deliberate actions, like committing to a daily workout or setting a strict bedtime. Surround yourself with players who've already mastered discipline and let their habits influence yours. Over time, you'll find that discipline becomes second nature, empowering you to achieve things you once thought impossible. As you navigate the game, you'll meet all kinds of players. Some will join your party, becoming allies who support you on your journey. Others will challenge you, pushing you to grow and improve. And then there are the NPCs, non-playable characters. These are the people who don't realize they're part of the game. They're stuck in routines, preoccupied with trivial matters, and unable to see the bigger picture. It's tempting to get caught up in their world, but don't let them distract you. Focus on your mission. Here's a sobering truth about the game: it's not endless. Every player has a finite amount of time, roughly 4,000 weeks, give or take. You might extend your playtime by maintaining good health and making wise choices, but eventually, the clock runs out. And then there's the final boss. Every player must face it eventually, but the timing is different for everyone. Some confront it early in life, while others encounter it much later. Tragically, some players avoid it altogether, never realizing that it's the key to winning the game. The final boss isn't a mythical creature or a powerful enemy. It's you, your fears, your doubts, your insecurities. They're the obstacles you must overcome. Fear of judgment is one of the most common enemies, holding you back from taking risks and pursuing your dreams. But here's the truth: the judgment of others doesn't harm you. It's your fear of that judgment that stifles you. Self-doubt is another formidable foe. When you don't believe in yourself, you sabotage your own progress. Whether or not belief guarantees success is irrelevant. What matters is that a lack of belief guarantees failure. Then there's the ultimate realization that shakes many players. There's no grand prize waiting at the end of the game. Life isn't about reaching an objective or completing a mission. It's about playing the game. The challenges, the quests, the highs and lows, these are what make the game worth playing. Think about it. When you buy a video game, you don't do it just to see the end credits. You play for the experience, the thrill of discovery, the satisfaction of overcoming challenges, and the joy of exploration. Life is the same. It's not about winning. It's about playing. Once you understand this, you've already defeated the final boss. You've freed yourself from the constraints of fear, doubt, and meaningless expectations. You're no longer chasing an illusion of victory. Instead, you're embracing the game for what it is, an open world of infinite possibilities. So what's next? It's up to you. Explore. Take risks. Fail and learn. Celebrate your victories and laugh at your mistakes. The beauty of this game lies in its unpredictability, its endless potential for growth and discovery. Life is a game. The only way to win is to play it fully.